Hello, I'm Robert Urbanski, Vice President of Human Resources for FRANTZ Manufacturing Company. I'd like to tell you a little bit about FRANTZ and why you should come and join our team. Well over 100 years ago, our company was started by Peter FRANTZ, a local inventor and factory foreman who had a knack for designing machinery that could make other things. Peter's reputation made other companies ask his help, so he decided to go into business for himself. Peter's machine design business was so successful, he was asked if his little company could also build products. So Peter leased the second floor of a building in Sterling, Illinois, and hired 3 workers to help him make things like wagon boxes and hardware for barn doors. That was the real beginning of FRANTZ Manufacturing Company. What followed was over 100 years of manufacturing ingenuity and innovation that helped grow FRANTZ to what it is today. Early innovative products included things like adjustable light fixtures for factory workers and new gliding hardware for barn doors. While building hardware became the core of the FRANTZ business, FRANTZ even made toys for many years, to include roller skates with metal wheels that would become so important to our future. During World War II, FRANTZ volunteered to make millions of army cots for all the armed services to help the war effort. As barns eventually became garages, FRANTZ innovated the over-the-top garage door system and sold garage door hardware for decades. Today, FRANTZ has become focused on metal wheels and ball bearings, along with steel balls that not only go in our bearings, they are also sold to the automotive industry. FRANTZ has 2 plants, both in Sterling, Illinois. The bearing plant sells to the material handling industry, primarily conveyor manufacturers who use our bearings in their conveyor tubes. The steel ball plant still makes the balls for our bearings, but is also focused on making steel balls that go into automobile engines. In fact, our largest customers at FRANTZ are from the automotive industry. Let's take a brief look at how these things are made. Does that look like fun? FRANTZ makes over 1,200 different types of bearing-related products and millions of steel balls each year. We have a team of diverse, talented people to make all those products, and FRANTZ is growing, so there are career opportunities in many areas of our company. Let's take a quick look at some of those positions. A manufacturing company can provide all kinds of paths to success, whether that be in quality control or production or skilled trades, such as maintenance and tool and die. We need all sorts of people to make it happen. There are lots of professional positions too, like engineering, sales, human resources, and accounting, to name a few. We're always looking for talented people who want a long-term career. FRANTZ would not be the industry leader that we are today without our people. Customers have faith in us because our team delivers what they need by working together and finding solutions, sometimes from unexpected sources. We have one of the finest employee suggestion programs anywhere because you never know where the next great idea will come from. And that is why we're always interested in meeting people with talent from all walks of life. Even if you have never been in manufacturing before, you may bring something to the team that we need. So what do we look for? We call it the FRANTZ 3 C's. Communication has many forms. Your appearance when you come to our door, your speaking skills, and your writing abilities are all important. Character considers things like your work ethic, your general attitude, and how reliable you are. Will you be honest, hardworking, and come to work every day and on time? Contribution can be many things, but we look for evidence that you will bring something to the table. And that can be more than just skills. Do you have energy that can excite the team? Do you have ideas that can improve how we do things? And are you likely to be a positive influence on other team members? If so, you may be FRANTZ material. What do we offer to those that are FRANTZ material? A culture that puts people and safety first. We are a small, close-knit group that has always been family-owned. Through good times and hard times, FRANTZ has kept faith with our people and held strong, even when economies decline, markets adjust, or pandemics impact the world. FRANTZ has survived the test of time. We offer competitive pay and fantastic benefits to include immediate medical and dental insurance, retirement benefits like 401k with company match, and a monthly gain sharing bonus program where everyone is rewarded when we are profitable. And of course, FRANTZ is a company that can become your career. We have extremely loyal people who have stayed with us a long time because FRANTZ is dedicated to providing opportunities that help people grow. We reward those who want to add more value to the company through education, cross-training, and increased flexibility. And we value your input on making us better, even if you're brand new. So how about it? Are you FRANTZ material?
Hi, I'm Jazzy Grove, the Human Resources Coordinator at FRANTZ Manufacturing. I am proud to be FRANTZ material. We are always looking for people to join our team, and you just might be the right fit. Come see us today.